This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gary Gordon. Wonderful home in upscale meticulously maintained neighborhood. This home offers second bedroom suite with a split bedroom floor plan, beautiful fence and fixtures, commanding ceilings, large screened and covered patio, full gutters, tile throughout, large walk-in closet, spacious master suite with sitting area, oversized master bath with Roman tub, dual sinks, separate shower with tile to ceiling, 2-seater garage, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and kitchen, new washing machine, SUNTEK safety and security, filmed electric generator hookup, and garage windows active. Community offers resort-style amenities with 10,000 square feet clubhouse, fitness center, large ballroom, west/stage, heated pool, 2HARTRU tennis courts and on-site manager and more. One-time capital contribution of $1,600 at close. For more information, review the details below or contact Gary Gordon at 973-722-2982.